Bruh.
I can't believe I'm gonna be elephant.
John Mayer, have I got a question for you?
What is it, Mr. Eagle?
Where the hell have been complaining about your representation in Mario game? Where are all the birds?
Well, we have lots of flying enemies.
So you have flying enemies, but none of them are birds. You just put wings on a Copo, wings on a Gobo, a belly on a Shaker, or a stupid flying squirrel.
There are tons of birds in the Mario Bros. Games.
All those birds are the most important enemies ever deal. Slightly popular. Mario character ever related to birds is Birdie, and she's not even a bird.
I don't know what to do about that.